What if I told you there was a molecule that could help reverse aging, boost your brain power, and supercharge energy levels? One that's already inside every cell of your body? Sound too good to be true, right? Well, meet NAD+, the game changer in the world of health and longevity. In today's video, I'm diving deep into what NAD therapy is, why it's making waves among biohackers, wellness enthusiasts, and even top athletes, and whether it's the missing piece in your health optimization puzzle. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly why NAD therapy is being hailed as a miracle molecule and the best ways to harness its benefits. So, what exactly is NAD? NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. It's a coenzyme found in all living cells and plays a pivotal role in cellular energy production and repair. Imagine NAD as the fuel that keeps the engine of your cells running smoothly. Without enough NAD, your cells can't produce energy efficiently, and the effects of aging start creeping in faster. But here's the catch. NAD levels naturally decline as we age. By the time you hit your 40s, you could be down by as much as 50%. This decline isn't just due to aging. Several factors speed up the depletion of NAD. Chronic stress and poor sleep. Stress is a major NAD thief. Chronic stress and lack of sleep cause the body to burn through NAD more rapidly, thanks to increased oxidative stress and inflammation. Poor diet and overeating. Excessive sugar, processed foods, and overeating lead to metabolic stress, which puts additional demand on your NAD reserves. Your cells are working overtime to process these foods, and NAD gets used up in the process. Environmental toxins. Exposure to pollution, heavy metals, and even certain medications can increase the body's need for NAD to repair cellular damage and detoxify. It's like having a leak in your gas tank. You're losing NAD faster than your body can produce it. Alcohol and substance abuse. Alcohol and certain recreational drugs can dramatically deplete NAD levels. Your body needs extra NAD to metabolize and detoxify these substances, leaving less for crucial functions like DNA repair and energy production. Illness and inflammation. Chronic illnesses, including autoimmune disorders and infections, can deplete NAD quickly as the body ramps up its repair processes. Inflammation, in particular, increases NAD consumption in an attempt to fight off invaders and repair damaged tissue. The result? Fatigue, brain fog, reduced cognitive function, slower recovery times, and an overall feeling of hitting the wall much sooner than you should. NAD therapy involves replenishing these levels directly, giving your cells a much needed boost. Think of it as charging your internal battery back to 100%. Now, let's take a step back and look at the history of NAD therapy. Discovered in 1906, NAD was initially known for its role in cellular respiration. Fast forward to the 1960s, researchers started exploring its potential in combating aging and degenerative diseases. The real breakthrough came in the early 2000s, with studies showing its profound impact on mitochondrial function and cellular repair. From a niche interest in biochemistry to a mainstream topic in health and wellness circles, NAD therapy has evolved dramatically. Today, it's being used to treat everything from chronic fatigue to addiction, and it's gaining recognition as a powerful tool for anti-aging and overall wellness. You might be wondering, what about those other popular supplements, NR and NMN? Aren't they just as good? Good question. Both NR and NMN are precursors to NAD. They help your body make NAD, but there's a catch. They don't always get efficiently converted, especially as you age. Unlike these precursors, NAD therapy delivers NAD directly into your bloodstream. Think of it as a direct highway into your cells versus a winding country road with detours. This direct method makes IV NAD therapy far more efficient and effective, especially for people looking for fast and noticeable results. So what's the big deal? Why are people so excited about NAD therapy? Let's break it down to the clinical benefits. Enhanced energy production. By replenishing NAD levels, your cells can produce more ATP, the primary energy currency for the body. This means improved physical endurance and mental clarity. Brain health and cognitive function. NAD helps repair DNA and reduces neuroinflammation, which can enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Anti-aging and longevity. NAD is essential for activating sirtuins, proteins that play a crucial role in aging and cellular health. More NAD means better DNA repair and potentially a longer, healthier life. Addiction recovery. Emerging studies suggest that NAD can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms in addiction recovery, making it a promising tool in integrative medicine. You might have seen NAD supplements or patches on the market, but let me tell you why IV administration is the gold standard. When NAD is taken orally, it's largely broken down in the digestive system, making it far less effective. IV therapy bypasses this entirely, delivering 100% bioavailable NAD directly to your bloodstream and cells. Not only does this ensure maximum absorption, but it's also allows for the precise dosing. It's like comparing a squirt gun to a fire hose. IV therapy floods your cells with NAD, giving you immediate and profound benefits. As promising as NAD therapy sounds, it's not for everyone. Certain groups, such as those with specific metabolic disorders or those undergoing chemotherapy, should consult a healthcare provider before starting NAD therapy. It's also important to note that NAD therapy can sometimes cause nausea or headaches, particularly if administered too quickly. The key is to start slow and gradually build up to your desired dose. You can even consider trying supplements like trimethylene glycine beforehand. So is NAD therapy right for you? If you're looking to enhance your energy, boost your brain function, or explore the cutting edge of anti-aging science, NAD might just be the missing piece in your health optimization puzzle. Interested in giving it a try? At VYVE Wellness, we specialize in NAD IV therapy tailored to your unique needs. Click the link below to book your consultation and discover how you can recharge your body and mind.